10 ways to go from a stranger to the man she can't stop thinking about. First impressions fade, but the right connection lingers in the mind long after the first meeting. If you have ever met someone who captivated you instantly, leaving you eager to see them again, you have witnessed the power of attraction done right. The secret to making a lasting impression is not about tricks or pickup lines. It is about creating genuine intrigue, confidence, and emotional connection. If you want to go from being just another guy she met to the one she cannot stop thinking about, this guide is for you. These 10 powerful strategies will help you make a deep impact, ensuring she looks forward to seeing you again. 1. Make a memorable first impression. First impressions set the stage for how she perceives you. A confident, well-dressed man who carries himself with purpose is far more likely to be remembered than someone who blends into the background. Dress well, not just for her, but as a reflection of your self-respect. Speak clearly and with purpose. Your voice should project confidence, not hesitation. Approach with energy and positivity. People are drawn to those who make them feel good. Women remember men who stand out. Whether it is through humor, charm, or a confident presence, make sure she notices you in a way that separates you from the rest. 2. Master the art of conversation. A great conversation makes a person feel understood, engaged, and entertained. The more interesting and engaging your discussion, the more she will want to keep talking to you. Avoid small talk that leads nowhere. Instead of asking, "So what do you do?" ask, "What's the most exciting part of your week so far?" Use storytelling. Instead of stating facts about yourself, share experiences that reveal who you are. Keep the conversation light-hearted with humor and curiosity. When she leaves the conversation feeling energized and intrigued, she will associate those positive emotions with you. 3. Use eye contact to build connection. Eye contact is a silent but powerful tool in attraction. It creates intensity, trust, and a feeling of connection. Hold eye contact slightly longer than usual. It signals confidence. Avoid darting your eyes away nervously. This makes you seem unsure. Combine eye contact with a subtle smile to create warmth. When you maintain steady, relaxed eye contact, she will feel that you are fully present in the moment with her. That is magnetic. 4. Show genuine interest. Nothing makes a woman feel more invisible than talking to someone who is only waiting for their turn to speak. When you genuinely listen, you stand out from 90% of men. Ask thoughtful questions about her passions, interests, and experiences. Pay attention to the details in her answers and bring them up later. Mirror her enthusiasm when she shares something important to her. The more you make her feel seen and understood, the more she will enjoy being around you. 5. Create inside jokes or shared moments. The easiest way to form a bond with someone is to create a shared experience. A well-timed joke, a funny observation, or a playful tease can create a moment that only the two of you share. If she mentions a funny story, reference it later in a light-hearted way. Use playful teasing to create an inside joke between you. Find a mutual interest you can revisit in future conversations. When she recalls those little moments and smiles to herself, you have successfully planted yourself in her thoughts. 6. Maintain a confident and relaxed presence. Confidence without arrogance is one of the most attractive traits you can develop. When you seem comfortable in your own skin, she will naturally feel comfortable around you. Keep your posture open and relaxed. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting. Speak at a steady pace. Rushing through words signals nervousness. Own your space. Whether sitting or standing, do not shrink yourself. A man who carries himself with quiet confidence creates an irresistible presence that lingers in her mind. 7. Give her space to miss you. One of the biggest mistakes men make is over-pursuing. If she senses you are too available too soon, the excitement fades. Do not over-text. Leave room for her to initiate conversation. Do not always be the one making plans. Let her suggest meetups too. Allow time between interactions so she can process and anticipate seeing you again. When someone has space to miss you, their desire to see you again intensifies. 8. Subtly flirt without overdoing it. Flirting should feel natural, playful, and effortless. The goal is to create tension, not overwhelm her. Use light touches in a casual way, like briefly touching her arm while laughing. Compliment her in a way that feels unique and personal, not generic. Playfully challenge her on something she says to spark fun debates. The key to flirting is making her feel excited in your presence, while still leaving a little mystery. 9. Show ambition and passion. A man who is passionate about something, whether it is his career, hobbies, or personal growth, is instantly more attractive. Women are drawn to men who have direction and purpose. Talk about what excites you in life, not just what you do for work. Show her that you have a life that is fulfilling on its own. Set goals and actively work towards them. People admire ambition. When she sees that you are driven and passionate, she will want to be part of your world. 10. End every interaction on a high note. People remember how they feel at the end of an experience more than anything else. Leaving an interaction with positive energy ensures she wants more. Do not let conversations drag on until they become dull. Leave at a peak moment. If possible, make her laugh before parting ways. End with a confident statement like, "I had a great time talking to you. We should continue this soon." When you end on a high note, she will walk away feeling excited to see you again. Final thoughts. Attraction is not just about looks or charm. It is about how you make someone feel. If you can create excitement, connection, and mystery, you will be the guy she cannot stop thinking about. Each of these 10 strategies works together to leave an unforgettable impression. Master these principles, and you will never again be just another stranger. You will be the man she looks forward to seeing, the one she texts first, and the one who stays on her mind long after you have said goodbye. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.